Yo, I'm just gonna throw it out there already. I'm gonna guess today's gonna be a very, very bad day. 15 minutes in, no orders yet. Okay, we finally got something. Not a great order, but it's an order. This is Taco Bell, $9 and change, going 6.5 miles.
Hi, how are you doing?
And now my camera's being all wonky. I don't think I caught the pickup for that for some reason, but we got the order. Yay, wahoo! Next up is a shop and deliver for Walgreens. This one is $9, going 4 miles, 4 items. So, how was I meant to get in if the gate's closed and I've got no entry code? Oh my goodness.
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Next up, we've got a Seize the Bagel. This one is $9, going 3.5 miles. James, perfect. There you are.
Have a good one.
Yep, you too. Okay, I'm well aware that this is a Wendy's that I accepted, but I'm still hoping this goes smoothly. This is $7, going 3 miles.
Hello, welcome to Wendy's. I'll be with you in just 1 second.
Thank you. You too. Not that long of a wait, so pretty smooth so far. Though this is going to a car dealership, so that's always kind of 50-50. Hello.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
You as well, thank you. And she even came outside to grab the order. That's got to be one of the cleanest Wendy's orders I've ever done. We've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $10, going 5 miles, 4 items.
Well, if you have it, two.
I wasn't going to take this order originally, but then I realized I'm right next to the store, so might as well. Got another shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $7, going 3 miles, 3 items. So they tried to give me an add-on. I think they ordered Burger King as well, but the details on that were really bad. It was like an extra 2 miles for $1.
Please here.
Hello. All right, there you are. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too.
Next up, we've got a Chick-fil-A. This one is $7, going 4 miles. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. It says in all caps, do not knock on door. That is funny. That would be a 1 penny tip. Thank you for that. Next order up is a McDonald's. This one is $7, going 2 miles. Got the next order pretty much right away. It is a voodoo donut, $9 and change, going 6.5 miles. Thank you. You too. This box feels unusually heavy. Almost feels like there's double the amount that there should be in there, but I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping out. It's been like 20 minutes since that last order, but we finally got something. We've got a gravity coffee. This one is $12, going 8.5 miles. I'm only taking this because it's taking me pretty close to where I want to be.
All right, here is that.
Thank
Thank
you.
you for your patience. Have a good day.
You too. And on that note, I'm gonna be calling it here. Current time is 10:09. Total, we ended up with 95. Almost forgot that cash tip. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.